Ruijie RJ-6012A semi-automatic high-speed laser tube cutting machine. A revolutionary breakthrough in tube processing, boosting both production efficiency and precision. Maximum acceleration, 1.5 G. Semi-automatic high-efficiency feeding, saving effort and time. Pipe cutting range, 10 mm to 120 mm. Rapid cutting, leap in productivity. Specifically designed for the mass processing of square tubes, round tubes, and other metal pipes. Cutting irregular shaped pipes is easy. Pipe flying cutting significantly improves processing efficiency compared to traditional methods. Cut is smooth and burr-free, with good verticality, requiring no secondary processing, directly improving product quality and pass rate.